V here, back with another GCSS Army helpful tip and video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to delete those background jobs that are running in GCSS Army, all right, and to stop them. So this could be your ZCON reports, your MRP forecasting reports. If you watched the previous video, how to set up the ESR being emailed to you, you're able to stop it. Some of the reasons you may want to stop it is you went to a new unit, you PCS'd. Some of your variables may have changed and adding or taking away a UIC, something on those lines. So I'm going to show you how to stop it. All right, so let's hop into GArmy. So by the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you check out the videos that have already been posted and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So the T code we're going to be working on today is SMX, Sierra Mike X-ray. All right. So when you hit enter and you pull up the Z code, it's going to pull up your history of all of the jobs that you've had running inside of GCSS Army here, okay? So let me explain this to you. So this is your history. You're able to clear your history, right? So if you were to select all and hit delete, it's only going to delete the history. It's not going to stop the actual job running in the background. So you gotta hit stop. All right, so that's make sure you know what you're doing there. You hit the trash can, you're just deleting the history. You gotta hit the stop sign. So I'm gonna highlight them all and I'm gonna hit stop. Caution, terminal selected jobs, terminate. I want to terminate. All right, and we are good to go. So all the jobs that we just did are terminated. Now I'm going to go in and clear my history. There you go. That's how you clear and stop all the background jobs running in GCSS Army. So I hope this video was helpful. Like always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and go Ordnance.